Show us your birthday on Urban Dictionary Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to add your sticker from the highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So there we have it. Show us your birthday on Urban Dictionary. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button. And once I do the story, I will show you from where to get that link in the Instagram app. So from here we have to go to Google and search for your birthday, and then type in Urban Dictionary. So from here you can go to the first or the second link. So I will go to the second one. And here you have to screenshot this page. Then you can go to your gallery and crop this page. So now we can go back to our Instagram, go to your uploads and choose the photo that we took earlier. Place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller by using your two fingers, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. So once you're happy with it, you just have to share it to your story, and that's it. So now let's show you from where you can go get that YouTube link. If you're not able to click on the Add Yours button, click on the super viral at highlights, and here you have to click, and here you will only find viral stickers if you want to check this too. So there we have it. This is the link. If you're not able to click on the Add Yours button, you just have to click it and you will find the tutorial there. So here you will find another viral sticker and the YouTube link with the tutorial and so on. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.